how to fix GTA 5 installation stack problem isn't quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy only to do. First, just go to settings here and then click update and security, and then make sure your Windows is updated. After that, just go back, go to privacy, scroll down, and here just turn off this option and go back and go to apps, and here just free some space to make sure you have enough space to install GTA 5. Just if you want to uninstall an application, just click on it and click on install, and then click on install. And that's it. Then just wait and install all the applications that you don't need. And that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.